there, my name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric Supply Company, and welcome to the April Hot Products video. Today, I have with me Tad Meyer from Fender, who's going to talk about the 3R rated filter fan. I also have with me Sanella Legata with HPS Hammond Power Solutions. She's going to talk to us about the Centurion S sine wave filter. And finally, last but not least, I have John Stafford with Wago. He's going to tell us about the Basic Controller 100 from Wago. So without further ado, Tad, why don't you kick us off?
All right. We kick it off with a hype button. Hello, Joanne. Hello, everyone. Glad to be back for Hot Products in the month of April. And I have the exciting opportunity and the pleasure to talk to you about our brand new UL listed Type 3R rated filter fans, which are rated for outdoor applications. So in addition to our Type 12 for indoor applications, we just released this beautiful one in this great dark gray, which is kind of an enclosure gray. So same as previously, beautiful hinge cover, easy replaceable filter medium, injection molded gaskets make it a really nice solution in 5 different sizes. So anywhere from a size 1, which approximately is a 4-inch cutout, all the way to a size 5, which is a 12-inch cutout, and everything in between. 24-volt DC, 120 AC, and 230 AC are available. We've priced them really competitively, just a smidge above our indoor application rated fans. So it's a really great solution that you can get from your local Standard Electric Supply sales representative. Love these connectors, by the way. Is a great connector that's easily removable and replaceable to snap it in really nicely into the enclosure. Push button connection make it a really nice solution. 3R, you say? Well, they are 3R without a shroud, without a hood required. So it's built into the plastics right here. The plastics are a little different than our 12, which make it rugged for these outdoor type applications. If you're interested in our UL Type 3R rated filter fans, please contact your local Standard Electric Supply sales representative.
Thanks, Chad. That was a great hype about that filter fan from Fender. Say that 3 times fast. Okay, so now we're going to go over to John Stafford from Wago, who's going to tell us more about the Basic Controller 100. John, why don't you take us away?
Thank you, Joanne. Right here, I've got the Basic Controller 100, which has been with Wago for approximately 20 years with constant enhancements along the way. It is our entry-level PLC, usable with our expandable 750 series I/O and 753 modules with bus extensions. In this simple and affordable controller, there are a few features that I'd like to note. For starters, it's got a less than 4-second boot time. It has excellent real-time behavior. It's got a built-in 2-port Ethernet switch, which can easily be used to daisy chain or for even managed switch features. It also has HTML5, built-in HTML5 visualizations. It supports industrial Ethernet protocols such as Modbus, TCP, client, and server. And there's also 1 gig of internal memory and will support up to 32 gigs via an SD card. It's also a IEC 61131 programmable controller with multitasking capabilities and features a capacitor-backed RTC. There are 2 versions of this controller. There's the Eco version, which is part number 750-8000, and there is the 750-8001, which I'm holding here, that has the SD card slot on the front. Some more important features to note is it's just a nice compact controller for smaller projects and then to put into smaller enclosures. It offers built-in network security. There's an onboard web server for an HMI using the HTML5 visualizations. It has a built-in OPC UA client. There's worldwide certifications for it, and it's all programmed in the Codesys 3.5 environment. And so if you're interested in more, just reach out to your Standard Electric account manager.
Thanks, John. That was fabulous to hear about that Basic Controller 100 from Wago. And now I'm excited to learn from Sanella Legata from HPS all about the Centurion S sine wave filter. Why don't you take us away?
Thank you, Joanne. So what I'm going to be talking about today is our newest addition to our power quality portfolio, sine wave motor protection filter. So what sine wave filter is used to mitigate the effect of high frequency noise that are generated by variable frequency drives and our inverters. So why do we need a sine wave filter? So sine wave filter will smooth the PWM output that VFD produce in order to effectively adjust the motor speed. They alter the frequency of the power supplied, and they do it in a manner that they kind of mimic a sinusoidal shape waveform. So what sine wave filter will do, it will actually smooth that waveform to an almost perfect sinusoidal voltage, and especially when the motor is connected by long cable lengths. What we did at HPS, we decided to go with an LC design, which actually achieves the optimal attenuation across the broad range of switching frequencies. It will also maintain the voltage distortion under 5% across all of those switching frequencies. We also strategically positioned the resonance frequency peak away from the operating frequency and away from switching frequencies to ensure that motor is actually protected from any potential harm. The sine wave filter will be recommended in scenarios where the cables are up to 1,500 feet between the VFD and the motor, as well as in critical applications that are aimed to extend the motor life and potentially reduce the risk of the downtime. If you need to learn more or if you're interested, please contact Standard Electric account manager.
Thank you, Sanella. That was great to learn all about that sine wave filter for motor protection. So that's it. That's all we have for you this round in April. Thank you, Chad, for telling us about your filter fan. Thank you, John, for telling us about your PLC, your Controller 100. And thank you, Sanella, for telling us about the Centurion S sine wave filter. If you would like to know more, get a price, get a quote, get a data sheet, just reach out to your account manager. They'll be glad to help you. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel. We're trying to grow our engagement, and that is a big help when you do that. And I hope you have a great April. We'll see you in May. Thank you for watching.
Beautiful.